For centuries, work has defined human civilization. From farmers harvesting fields, to factory workers building machines, to drivers transporting goods across continents, human labor built the modern world. Every city, every road, every factory, every economy was shaped by human hands. But now, for the first time in history, machines are beginning to replace not only muscle, but intelligence. Not only physical labor, but decision-making itself. Across the globe, artificial intelligence and automation are transforming industries at unprecedented speed. The question is no longer whether machines can do human jobs. The question is, how many jobs will remain? This is the story of a world entering a new era. The era of the last human worker. For generations, manufacturing powered economic growth. Factories employed millions, producing cars, electronics, machinery, and consumer goods. But inside modern factories, something remarkable is happening. Robotic arms work day and night, without breaks, without vacations, without fatigue. Advanced sensors guide machines with extraordinary precision. Artificial intelligence identifies defects faster than human inspectors. Production lines operate with fewer workers than ever before. In some facilities, entire sections run almost completely autonomously. For businesses, automation means efficiency, lower costs, higher productivity. But for workers, the transition can feel uncertain. As machines become more capable, the role of humans continues to evolve. Behind every online order, a massive logistics network operates silently. Warehouses once depended on thousands of employees, walking miles every day, sorting packages, managing inventory. Now, autonomous robots move through warehouse floors with incredible speed. Artificial intelligence predicts demand, optimizes storage, and coordinates operations in real time. What once required hundreds of workers can increasingly be managed by smaller teams supported by intelligent machines. The speed is impressive. The efficiency is undeniable. Yet for many workers, the future feels uncertain. As technology advances, entire job categories are being transformed. Retail has always been one of humanity's largest employers. Millions of people work in supermarkets, convenience stores, shopping centers, and department stores. But AI is changing retail. Self-checkout systems, automated inventory management, cashierless stores, computer vision technology. Customers enter, select products, and leave, without speaking to a single employee. For consumers, the experience is fast and convenient. For workers, it raises difficult questions. What happens when technology can perform routine tasks more efficiently than people? And what new opportunities will emerge in their place? Every day, millions of drivers transport goods and people. Trucks move products across nations. Delivery drivers connect businesses with customers. Couriers keep modern economies functioning. But autonomous vehicles are advancing rapidly. Artificial intelligence can now recognize roads, navigate traffic, and make complex driving decisions. The transportation industry may soon experience one of the largest transformations in history. Some experts predict safer roads, reduced costs, and greater efficiency. Others worry about the millions of workers whose livelihoods depend on driving. The future of transportation may not only change how goods move, it may change the lives of those who move them. Inside restaurants around the world, automation is expanding. Ordering kiosks, AI-powered customer service, robotic cooking systems, automated food preparation. Technology is streamlining operations, reducing wait times, and improving consistency. For businesses, the benefits are significant. For workers, The transition creates uncertainty, especially for younger employees entering the workforce. Many traditional entry-level jobs are becoming increasingly automated, raising important questions about the future of employment. Agriculture is one of humanity's oldest professions. For thousands of years, farmers relied on experience, instinct, and hard work. Today, artificial intelligence is entering the fields. Autonomous tractors plant crops. Drones monitor soil conditions. AI predicts weather patterns. And precision farming systems optimize harvests. Technology has the potential to increase food production dramatically, helping feed a growing global population. Yet even in agriculture, the role of human labor is changing. Machines are taking on tasks once performed by generations of workers. Construction helped build the modern world. Skyscrapers, bridges, roads, entire cities. But automation is reaching construction sites. Robotic equipment, autonomous machinery, AI-powered planning systems. Technology is improving efficiency and safety, reducing delays, and increasing precision. The buildings of tomorrow may be constructed with far fewer workers than those of today. Another industry. Another transformation. Another question about the future of work. The impact of automation is not measured only in statistics. It is measured in lives. In India, a textile worker wonders what opportunities will exist for the next generation. In the United States, a factory employee watches machines perform tasks once done by entire teams. In Japan, an aging worker sees robots becoming co-workers, and sometimes replacements. Across Europe, workers enroll in retraining programs, preparing for jobs that did not exist only a decade ago. Different countries, different cultures, but a common challenge: adapting to a rapidly changing world. History shows that technology creates new opportunities even as it disrupts old ones. The Industrial Revolution replaced many traditional occupations. Yet it also created entirely new industries. The digital revolution transformed communication, commerce, and education. Artificial intelligence may become the next great transformation. Some jobs will disappear. Others will evolve. And entirely new professions will emerge. The challenge facing humanity is not simply technological. It is social, economic, and deeply human. How do societies ensure that innovation benefits everyone? How do workers adapt? How do governments prepare? The answers will shape the coming decades. Humanity stands at a crossroads. The machines we created are becoming more capable every year. They can analyze, predict, build, deliver, and increasingly, make decisions. Automation promises extraordinary progress, greater productivity, lower costs, and new possibilities. But it also forces us to confront difficult questions about identity, purpose, and work itself. The future is not a battle between humans and machines. It is a story about how humans choose to live alongside them. Because the technologies we create ultimately reflect the choices we make. Humans built machines. Now machines are rebuilding human society. Before we end, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe automation will create more opportunities than it destroys? Or are we moving toward a future where machines replace millions of human jobs? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this documentary and want to support more independent films like this one, please like, share, and subscribe to the Flying Art Films. Your support helps us create deeper stories about technology, humanity, and the future of our world. And don't miss our next episode. Episode 4, AI and Human Emotions. For centuries, emotions have been one of the defining traits of being human. Love, fear, joy, compassion. But what happens when machines begin to understand emotions? Can artificial intelligence recognize human feelings? Can it respond with empathy? Can a machine become a companion? a therapist, or even a friend. As AI becomes more intelligent, the line between human emotion and machine intelligence may become increasingly blurred. In our next documentary, we'll explore the fascinating world of emotional AI and ask one of the most important questions of the future. If machines can understand our emotions, what does it truly mean to be human? Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next episode.